here we are. Right here, hi guys. This is my good friend Liz, who is helping me to do all this hard work. Kudos to her. I don't know how long this would have carried on. Thanks, Liz. What do you say?
Helping you?
Yeah. What do you do?
What are you doing?
Okay, we're doing it together. You're supporting me.
In this video, I'm going to share some of the difficulties and challenges that I have experienced in my first winter of homesteading or trying to plant crops in my back garden, and even the additional mishaps that were caused by the extreme storming weather condition in the UK in the last few months. I will also provide or share the solutions, and especially how friends and family members came to my rescue to support me to weather the storm of homesteading. So you will definitely gain one or two things from this video. Hi, my name is Mabel. Hence, this channel is called Ask Auntie Mabel. Many of you have actually been asking Auntie Mabel a lot of questions regarding the update on my homesteading and my garden and the things I've planted in the propagator and so many other questions. So this video, I'm just going to show you how we've managed to weather the storms, and now the garden is almost ready for planting. And some of you are aware that a big part of my garden was occupied by the tree that we cut down last year, the branches and the stems and everything, you name it. So that has also been tackled. Yes, and I'm really excited to share this update with you guys. And we know that Storm Hike and Storm Jocelyn and all the other storm that has been storming in the UK in the last few months has caused a lot of damage, and that storm destroyed my greenhouse and all the plants that were in the greenhouse, and that was actually a very demoralizing part. So it was really important to have friends and family members come alongside me to motivate me and get me up to getting the garden ready now for planting. So I know some of you have experienced some mishap, so you definitely learn from this video. Right, you can see my greenhouse. I hope it's showing well enough, because you can still see the sun is still there in the garden. That's why I'm out here trying to make the most of the sunny weather. It's been raining every day for some time now. So that's how the stormy wind, it was tumbling down a lot of stuff. So the greenhouse was just a piece of cake for it to tumble down. So those are my plants that the greenhouse was meant to be protecting. They are all tumbled down there. I'm going to try and sort them out at some stage. These are the trees we cut down. We are yet to cut down the branches. Right, this is the part I've showed you. Some of you have watched my video before. You know what this part is. The previous owner of this property was planning to build a conservatory here, and at the moment I don't really want to embark on that project. I feel I should use the place. What I want to do in this part, let me just tell you guys, I'm going to clear all of this mess or these debris that are here today. Then we'll prepare the soil and lay artificial grass here. So this will allow me some space so that if the plants I want to plant in the pot, so I'll be able to plant some of that there. So that's the plan for that. Is the last weekend of March. The sun is out today. The weather has been pretty miserable, mostly all over UK, but especially in the northwest where we are. It's just been raining, and so I've not really been able to do much in the garden. I think it's important to share these low moments, especially if you are new to homesteading or planting stuff in your garden like myself. I have done some planting on the propagator indoors. Those ones are doing relatively well. However, the garden has just been, I have not been able to do much. I'll show you around. I'll show you guys around again. Um, I started doing bits and pieces, but each time I do something, maybe the rain is sunny, I go out in the garden to try and do something before even the previous rain dries out, it starts raining again. So everything has just been haphazard. So yeah, but today is sunny. So yeah, I'm going to do quite a lot today. My daughter, her husband, and the grandson are coming to help me to lay the artificial grass in some part of the garden. I'll show you from this end. You can see this is the side of the garden. That's my solar panel on the roof. So first thing first, the first job I'm going to do is to harvest this wide plants, stinging nettles. Uh, I know I just have to wear gloves when I harvest them. They're actually very good. They're very medicinal. You can make stinging nettle tea from them. You can actually substitute them as spinach or as ugu in our soup. They are very, very nutritious and medicinal.
Right, these are the stinging nettles, which is better, I'm not sure. Yeah, that's the shade also when the sun is shining. In as much as I'm not going to be able to vlog every process, you can see I have cleared up all the debris from this end. Yeah, so the next stage now is just to remove all these deep roots. You can see this part that didn't have the weed control and the part that has, you can see the difference is clear. For those of you who want to use it in the future, you can see that it actually work. Right, I just want to show you guys the update. Look what we have achieved today. The artificial grass is laid, and that's my garden chairs and table where I will be able to sit and have my cup of tea, breakfast, lunch, dinner, whatever. Or even sit there and probably edit my videos. So we've done a great job today. I'm quite pleased with the outcome of these guys. So that's the first step. You can see we still have some sunshine going, and this is why I really want to get the branches and the woods and their branches or whatever they've got away from this part of the garden, because I feel that's where I get most sunshine. We are still in the process of sorting out my garden to make it workable so we can do some planting. That's my friend Liz, who is a very experienced allotment owner, helping me to cut the woods and the stems. So hopefully at the end of these few days we will have a more better space to start planting. Although it's showering, it's rainy today, as we will say in the life of a gardener, that there's nothing like inappropriate weather is inappropriate clothing. Apparently she came prepared with all her raincoat and all the gardening tools to help get this garden into a better shape. I really appreciate her support. Hi guys, so this woods that has been lingering on, the task that has been lingering on for ages, my friend Liz came to help me tackle it, and she's giving it a great start. She's actually, you can see she's cut the branches off all the logs, the thick woods. So today that's the pie. That's a great job she did yesterday. You can still see her carrying on with it there. So these are the branches. So today, this morning, we are cutting them all up into smaller pieces so we can put them away. So here we are. Right here, hi guys. This is my good friend Liz, who is helping me to do all this hard work. Kudos to her. I don't know how long this would have carried on. Thanks, Liz. What do you say?
Helping you?
Yeah. What do you do?
What are you doing?
Okay, we're doing it together. You're supporting me. What are you doing? I've already told them you did all that clearing of that mountain of the woods there. So what do you say? Say hi to my
Hi
subscribers.
to your
Subscribers, my friends,
subscribers.
my
All right.
my friends, my
Hello,
YouTube.
subscribers.
Say hello to my friends on YouTube.
Stop talking. I've got to get on with the work.
All right, thank you, ma. Yes, miss. Okay.
There are some shorter ones here. Oh gosh. You need a drink of water? Go and get a drink of water. I've got some onions in the bag. Okay, I'll bring it back up. I have that my latest onions, so I don't want to just sniff it. And there we go.
Okay.
Anyway, we're getting ready for tea break, aren't we?
Tea time, guys. We're having a tea break. Right. You guys can see we're gradually reducing the huge pile. The garden bin is already full. And that's Liz over there having a deserved coffee break. Hey guys, we have made huge progress. We have moved all the wood from that end, thanks to my friend Liz. That's a pile of wood over here. So we just try. So we are now getting rid of the weed. So you can see Liz walking away there. Yes. So I'm really grateful to Liz today. She's made this, she's been a huge encouragement and boost to help get this garden finally on the way and ready, preparing the soil for planting this season. Right, I'll give you guys updated later.
Stop filming and get some work.
We need to capture all of this so that when it's done, we appreciate the work we've done. I don't want to lose out on the process. All right, the work you have done. Liz, give me some credit. I've been busy, I swear. I've been learning. Yeah, that's warm. Liz is found some worms there. Liz, to be honest, I've worked hard, I swear. Everything you've taught me, I've done. Right. Yeah, I'm coming now. Ready now.
Please, I'm going to have to end this video here, and I don't want it to be too long. So in the next video, I will give you update on how I've transplanted my crops from the propagator to their permanent homes, and also what I'm now doing with the leftover of what is left of the greenhouse. Please give this video a thumbs up and leave comments on what you are also doing with your plant, either in your balcony or your back garden, wherever you're trying to plant crops. And also, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, because there is much more coming your way regarding homesteading and every other thing in between. See you all in my next video.